Hey guys, Troy here. This is My Victory by David Crowder. We just kind of brought this song back at church. I'd played it months and months ago, and it kind of fell off the radar for me, and then came back and I really kind of dug into the words, and this song is awesome as well. It's not very like guitar heavy. There's not a lot going on. It's not like playing a Bethel song. So it's a lot of fun to play because you can kind of just relax. So I decided to do a little bit of different stuff with the effects. If you listen to the guitar tracks in the song, they're very messy in a good way. Like they kind of have like this not put together type tone where it's sort of getting away from it, but sort of not. So I use the pattern delay on the Strymon timeline to kind of replicate that sort of crumbling type sound on the notes decay. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot going on. So I copied the guitar parts as they were on the record. I think it's good to leave some space on this song to really contemplate. You don't need to be playing over everything. That's a good lesson just in general. So here's My Victory by David Crowder. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Chorus. Bridge. Repeat bridge. Outro.